So this is the first generation old Audi Q5. I already have the second gen in my Audi SUV collection, and this model is a pre-owned model. I bought this model from another diecast collector, and the model looks ultra realistic like the old Kyoshes were, but there are some minor paint problems. And we also made a huge garage diorama. If you want to see the making of that, you can click the end screen element on the right. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.